Hi there, Tad Harger from Marketing for Hippies with just a short video. I've got a 30-day program coming up. It's my Marketing for Hippies 101 30-day program. For over 20 years, I've led some version of this workshop in a lot of places, North America, Europe, to rave reviews. People really like this workshop. I'm proud of it myself. The focus of it being, how can marketing actually feel good? How can you have a kind of marketing that works and feels good? And the beauty of a one-day workshop is there's all the excitement, there's the momentum, there's a concentrated, immersive focus, but there's no chance to digest, really. So with this 30 days, we take the exact same content, but we spread it out over 30 days where you get a chance for it to go deeper. You know, when you irrigate a field, if the water goes on too fast, it just runs off the surface. The slower you drip it in, the deeper it's going to go. So 30 days, we get to spread it out, gets to go a bit deeper, translating it into your business in particular. The first week, all we look at is, where does marketing still feel bad, still feel off to you? Even if you've been following my stuff for a while or other people's stuff, there may be some area you're still hooked, and we're going to do our best to wrestle that bear to the ground. Week 2, we're going to be picking a specific offer, something you want to put out to the marketplace, maybe something you already have, maybe something new. And the rest of the weeks will be about helping us translate how can all of this stuff work in that particular offer. And the best part about it being an offer is, you know, all this work we do is directly tied to you making money on that offer. Speaking of money, it's $300 US, but which I think is a bargain for what you're getting. But you can also attend it. You can do a 3-pay. You can spread out the payments, or you can attend it for just $100. And anyways, if you go to the sales page, you'll see more. But if you want to find more about that and other events, marketingforhippies.com/events. And if you just are curious about my work, you're new to it, you're not sure if you want to spend 30 days, go check out my starter kit. Just go to marketingforhippies.com. It'll be very obvious. You can sign up for it. And there's hours of footage, some bonus content, and you'll see. And if you like it, you might want to check out my 30-day program. If you don't, you know, I hope you find who you're looking for. There's lots of other great coaches out there. But if you resonate, I hope you'll jump in. Feel free to email me, Tad at Marketing for Hippies, if you have any questions that you don't want to post in the comments below, which is where I'd ask it. Most people post your questions. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully we'll see you there, and if not, maybe we'll see you somewhere else down the road.